Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. Today we have received a laptop. It's a Acer gaming laptop Nitro 7. See, thin slot FSD, HDMI, NVIDIA. It's a 9th generation Core i5 and Full HD. Okay. The main issue is it will power on but no display. Sometimes it will power on but it won't take the load or boot. It won't boot. See, I just connected to DC machine. Let me on it. So what DC machine tells us. See, it's 0.190. Sometimes display will come but it won't boot, means bootable won't be there. When you try to boot, so it will give some error. Okay. आज एक Lenovo का Acer का एक लैपटॉप आया है, ये गेमिंग का पीसी. ओके, ये Nitro 7 गेमिंग मॉडल NVIDIA ग्राफिक चिपसेट है, 9th जनरेशन Core i5 का है. ओके, इसमें क्या इशू है, एक टाइम पे ये ऑन होगा और ये बूट नहीं होगा, और अभी तो ये 0.950 में हो रहा है डीसी मशीन में. आइए इसका क्या इशू है चेक करेंगे. पहले ओपन करता हूँ, बाद में चेक करेंगे. नाउ द मदरबोर्ड ओपन फ्रॉम कैबिनेट. ओके, अभी ये खुला है पैनल से. देखिए मॉडल नंबर क्या है,
EH5VLA-H501P.
Okay, this is Nitro 7. Okay, see, now first we need to check what are the damages happened here, right? अभी damages क्या क्या है पहले चेक करना है. बोर्ड तो बहुत साफ है, बोर्ड इज completely clean, there is no issue with this, no physical damage also. Right.
Okay.
Yes, almost. So okay, there is no damage, including water damage. Here some dust will be there, that we can clean it. Give that brush. इधर थोड़ा सा डस्ट है, वो तो क्लीन हो जाएगा. Okay, now other side we'll check. See this side, bias has done. Okay, bias program किया हुआ, ये नहीं, ये प्रोग्रामेबल है. ये PCH, देखिए गेमिंग लैपटॉप में PCH अलग से देगा. ओके, इन गेमिंग लैपटॉप्स ऑलमोस्ट ऑल गेमिंग लैपटॉप्स हैविंग PCH separate. It won't combine with CPU. Okay, this is a graphic and this one is CPU processor. What are the any damages? Clean. No damage. Yes. See, अभी बोर्ड तो क्लीन है, कुछ डैमेजेस नहीं है इसमें. ओके, अभी मल्टीमीटर से चेक करेंगे क्या क्या वोल्टेज आ रहा है या नहीं करके. So now we will check with multimeter what are the coil voltage we are getting or not. So Param, for this let us on the multimeter. Okay, if possible we can take the DSO help also. Okay, so now the ground. See, first we connect the power supply. Okay, so direct charger I am connecting because it's a gaming laptop, it has high wattage. Okay, so see here I am connecting. Now I am checking the coil voltage before pressing power button. Okay, before pressing power button what will be the coil voltages. See this one, no voltages, right?
Okay.
Actually this is 3.3 coil. Here you can keep it. Okay, able to see? Yes. Just a minute. Now this one 5.01, it means it's a 5 volts coil is enabled. See, before pressing power button 3.3 voltage won't be there. पावर बटन प्रेस करने से पहले 3.3 वोल्टेज नहीं मिलेगा, इसमें सिर्फ 5 वोल्ट्स का मिलेगा. ओके, और क्या क्या वोल्टेज है, ये 1.0 का है डिजिटल ग्राउंड, ये रैम का, दिस वन इज फॉर रैम, नो रिजल्ट, रैम won't come. Okay, only these coils are there. This is battery coils, ये बैटरी का coil है. Okay, we before pressing power button, so only 5 volts is available. Okay, RAM, you know very well, after pressing power button only it will come. In this particular board 3.3 also will come after pressing the power button. Okay, इसमें सिर्फ 3.0 जो वोल्टेज है ना, सिर्फ एक ही कॉइल मिलेगा, कॉइल वोल्ट्स. जो आप पावर बटन प्रेस करते हैं ना, उसके बाद सभी वोल्टेज मिल जाएगा इंक्लूडिंग 3.3. ओके, अभी मैं सप्लाई देने वाला हूँ, सप्लाई दे के ऑन करता हूँ फिर से. ओके, अभी सभी कॉइल क्या शॉर्ट है अभी चेक किए हम, शॉर्ट नहीं है, जस्ट वी चेक इट्स शॉर्ट और नॉट. सो कॉइल्स आर गुड, there is no shorts. Now see, I removed the keyboard. Actually power button is there in the keyboard. So keyboard में power button है, वो remove किया हूँ, लेकिन इसमें जो काउंट किया था 1 और 2 power button का कनेक्शन है. अभी देखिए 1 और 2 मैं कनेक्ट करता हूँ, एक मिनट और कर लेता हूँ. फैन चालू हो गया. ओके, अभी मैं वोल्टेज चेक कर लेता हूँ क्या क्या वोल्टेज है करके. कौन सा 3.3 मिला. ओके, वी गॉट 3.3, 5 volts already we got. Here is the battery voltage. Okay, something it will come and go, so that's not a matter. And here this coil voltage we are not getting. We need to find out which coil it is. Almost it's 1.05 coil. The RAM coil, RAM voltage is not available. See, RAM, it's available. 1.2. Okay, RAM is available, but this one is 1.05 volts. It's not available. Here 1.2, and here 1.2. VTT we will check. VTT. The voltage.
Voltage.
See, we are unable to get VTT. Okay, we are unable to get VTT, but we are getting 1.2 volts. Oh, this is 19 volts path. Just a minute. EJM. EJM3. M means it's a memory. There is no VTT. Once again I'll check RAM coil. See, here is a clue. We got 1.2, but VTT is unavailable. Understood? We got stuck here itself. Sometimes customer told sometimes display will come, but it won't take the boot, right? इधर क्या है ना 1.2 आ रहा है, लेकिन हमें VTT नहीं मिल रहा है. इधर से हमको चेक करना पड़ेगा क्यों हमें VTT नहीं मिल रहा है, वो कौन से सिग्नल से आ रहा है. ओके, मेरे पास स्कीमेटिक है, इसको चेक किया तो मुझे पता चलेगा क्या इशू होगा करके. इधर RAM VTT कौन जनरेट कर रहा है? SUSP. Okay, SUSP in the sense it will come from IO. Right. So when it will come, that we will check. See, here is a signal SUSP is not available, so because of that we are not getting VTT voltage. Now SUSP we will search. SUSP, copy, paste, search. So here is the pin number 7. That one goes to IO. See here one more thing, inverter boost. SUSP will goes to multiple areas. SUSP, QH. .5 VS we need to check. Pin number 116. Pin number 116 from IO. Give it a touch. See here. Start from here. Okay. 32, 64. If you want to check 16, 116, right? 90, 100, 10, 15, 16. Check the voltage. 116.
Not touch.
There is no susp. Okay. See, here is the logic. Susp, why we are not getting? The signal comes from IO, right? Before that, the suspend voltages PCH has to give. ये सस्पी के पहले PCH से हमको सिग्नल मिलना चाहिए, वो नहीं मिल रहा है. वो नहीं मिलने की वजह से हमको ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ओके, पहले ये क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है, स्कीमेटिक को एक तरफ से चेक करके स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम एज पर द प्रोसीजर आएंगे. ओके, सी नाउ वी कम टू नो we are not getting the susp ash, right? So before that, what are the voltage are there that we found? पहले जो सस्पी नहीं आ रहा था वो हमें कंफर्मेशन मिला, क्योंकि हमें VTT वोल्टेज नहीं मिल रहा है. सभी लोग क्या करते हैं, इधर उधर का आईसी ढूंढते हैं, वो कल नहीं आ रहा है करके उसका आईसी डैमेज कर लेता है. ऐसा नहीं करने का, ऑर्डर वाइज करना है, ऑर्डर वाइज आना है. अभी देखिए रैम में 1.2 वोल्टेज आ रहा है, अभी 0.6 वोल्टेज नहीं आ रहा है. इसका मतलब उसका जो ट्रैक है ना, उसको पहले चेक करना है. उससे पहले जो वोल्टेज बन रहा है या नहीं, उसको पहले कैप्चर करना पड़ेगा. ओके, अभी देखिए ये तो ऑर्डर वाइज है. जो सीक्वेंस मैंने आपको बोला था वो सीक्वेंस में मैं कर रहा हूँ. ये भी मुझे पता नहीं है क्या प्रॉब्लम है करके. ओके, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम तो कस्टमर में बोल रहा है पूरा ऑन होता है लेकिन बूट नहीं होता. लेकिन इधर और कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. अभी तो ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा है, ऑन हो रहा है लेकिन बीच बीच में स्टक हो गया है. किधर तक, वो रैम वोल्टेज आईसी में सस्पी आने तक स्टक हो गया है. एक्चुअली कस्टमर व्हाट ही टोल्ड, he was getting display and only bootable was the problem. But here where we got stuck, it's a susp we are not getting, right? So first we need to come by order, one by one. Before susp 2.5 volts we have to check, right? See, first we remove the what is that, heat sink. Now I will give the susp what is that voltage supply, and now I will check that 2.5 volts is available or not. See, direct voltage, where is the point of 2.5? 2.5 1201, right? IC number 2501. 2501. Okay, in this 2501, what is the input?
Input is
C, pin number 3, right? That is 3 volts always. Shall we check?
yes.
First we will check the output. If output are not available, then we go for input, right? What is the output pin? Output का pin कौन सा है? Either 2.5 pin number 6, right? अभी चेक करेंगे पिन नंबर 6 में क्या आ रहा है. पिन नंबर, हाँ इधर जंपर दिया है ना, ये आउटपुट होगा. APU 2501 जो लिखा है ना, उसका जंपर दिया तो 100% उसका आउटपुट रहेगा, आई मीन कनेक्टेड रहेगा. उधर चेक किया तो हमको मालूम पड़ेगा. अभी ऑन नहीं किया हूँ, ऑन करके चेक करेंगे, क्योंकि ये सभी ऑन करने के बाद ही मिलेगा हमें. अच्छा, हाँ, see, we are getting 2.5 volts. If we are getting output, then need not to check the input voltages. Okay. After that only we are getting susp, right? But susp is not available. Before that 2.5 and RSM RST and what is that 1.8 volts always, so many things are there. One by one all voltages we will check. Now here just a minute, which one we checked before? Pin number 5, page number 5. See, as per this power sequence, SLP, S4, S3, SysOn we are getting, right? And what about 1.05 VCC ST? That we will check. But we are getting 1.2 VDDQ, 2.5 VS. SUSP we are unable to get. But anyway, 1.05 VST, where is the path? That we will check. Copy, paste, where it's coming from. It's coming from which I see UQ2. UQ2 77 plus 14 IC. Okay, here it's not 14. Randomly we will check. Here on IC UM2. Pin. Okay, it's still on.
Which is the UC2?
UQ2. We'll check other side. Still on condition.
Yes.
UQ2. Okay. UQ2. Here. UQ2, what the output pin? So 14 and 13. 14 and 13. Here it's a 1
Output.
and output this one. Yeah, this is the output.
1.05 available. Not available, sir.
1.05 is available. Okay, 1.05 is available.
Yes.
So next 1.8 VS is there. Pin number 9 and 8. 7, 8 and 9. 1.8 is available.
Okay.
Then we'll check the coil voltage.
Next voltage.
1 minute. Coil voltage we'll check it's available or not. He told no, sometimes it will. See, we are getting the coil voltages. See, display we are getting or not? No. See, it's getting heat. We do one thing, we'll connect the DSO, then we come to know because these all are getting heat. See, DSO, I'm connecting. I connected the DSO, I'll switch it on. Now it's switching on.
One time.
One time it came and went, right? What's the wrong with this? Sometimes display has come. Better you put the heat sink. We'll check later. Put the heat sink. अभी इसमें क्या है ना, हम चेक करते वक्त सस्पी नहीं आ रहा था. ओके, उसके वजह से हम ढूंढा तो 2.5 वोल्ट्स इधर मुझे मिला और पीछे से कौन सा 1.8 और 1.05 वोल्ट्स हमें मिला. लेकिन उसी वक्त ये हीट हो रहा था. अभी DSO में चेक किया तो ऑन होके ऑफ हो गया. ओके, अभी मैं हीट सिंक कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. केयरफुल. ओके, first you connect that fan. See, now we connected the heat sink. Once again I'll give the DC supply. DC supply sometimes working and sometimes not. Anyway, let me check. This DC giving trouble. Now it's constant. Now I'll switch it on. Now it's on. I'll check the voltage. See, now display has come, I think so. See, now it's working. What is this? What kind of problem it is? So as customer told, sometimes it's working and sometimes won't work. So now it's off. Again it started. See now. Once it started and again it's coming down. So it means somewhere something problem. Till suspi we suspected, right? Once it's available and second time it's not available, it means let me check. So lower voltage available or not. That UQ something we were checking, right? UQ 2. Again it went. So done. This DC giving some issue, connector issue maybe. So direct original adapter I am going to connect here. So I am switching on. It's on now. Fan is rotating. And what will be the voltage? I got stuck in suspi, right? So 1.2. Half. Let me check once again. It's a restarting actually. 1.2. Okay. What about VDD? VTT, yes. VDD we are getting. VTT. Unable to get. No. Okay. This is the issue. Sometimes we are getting voltages and sometimes we are not. See, in this case, suspi actually giving the voltage of suspi coming from IO. Right. Just we first, before doing something, first we need to discuss. Suspi sometimes is available and sometimes is not. So what it could be? See, before suspi, what we have to do? We have to correct the bias section. First we will do the EC bias. Okay. Then we will come by one. See, we had a doubt on IO. Okay, this is ENE 9022. Okay, now what we did, we replaced the IO and we did the program. IO program. Okay. What I told actually, it's a suspi was unable to get that, right? Get that particular signal. So it will come from IO. Sometimes it's giving the signal and sometimes it won't. इधर क्या किया है, हम ये IO चेंज किया है क्योंकि इसमें सस्पी का जो सिग्नल आना है ना, ये इसमें आता है. ओके, इधर से एक टाइम आएगा और एक टाइम नहीं आएगा. सो मुझे इसमें डाउट था, इसलिए मैं ये पर्टिकुलर IO को रिप्लेस किया हूँ. अभी रिप्लेस करके प्रोग्राम किया हूँ. ओके, अभी हम कनेक्ट करके, पहले DC मशीन से कनेक्ट करके ये क्या स्टेटस में आया है अभी वो चेक करेंगे. ओके, अभी मैं DC मशीन ऑन करता हूँ, चेक करेंगे. है ना, एक मिनट. DC मशीन देखिए, उधर कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. ओके, अभी क्या है,
amps rate 0.00
0.35
003.
fluctuate हो रहा है. Okay, so it's fluctuating 0.003 and 5. Now I will switch on the button. Okay, what is the status here? I'll check from here on. Pin number 1 and 2 power button. See the DC machine. It's increasing, right? See, before it was not increasing. So better you connect the keyboard. पहले ये इंक्रीज नहीं हो रहा था, अभी रिप्लेस करके आईओ प्रोग्राम किया हूँ, उसके बाद ये इंक्रीज डिक्रीज हो रहा है. अभी मैंने कीबोर्ड कनेक्ट किया हूँ, चेक करेंगे क्या होगा अभी. ठीक है. अभी आप डीसी मशीन चेक कीजिए, ऑफ हो क्या ऑन हो रहा है. एक बार हो गया, दोबारा. अभी कीबोर्ड भी कनेक्ट किया हूँ. I have connected the keyboard also. One time it switched off and switched on. Check the DC machine. The second time switched off, switched on, turned on. Okay, third time off. Again it on. Again it on. Again it on. Again, what is the status? Just check. So it's continuously on state, but no display. Correct keyboard. Okay, once again I will switch it off and switch it on. Let me check. I will reset the RAM, then we will check. So again I am connecting. Check the DC machine. Now on. One time restart. Anyway, now the status, in the status some changes we got, right? So previously when we switched on, so it was not switching on. So now at least it's turning on. Means the time 0.170 something it was there, right? So now its ampere is increasing. It means it has took the load. Again 2-3 times it will restart because battery not connected. Till now main BIOS not yet reinstalled, but anyway reprogrammed. Now we are checking the existing BIOS only. We did IO only. See, one major problem has solved. Because of SUSP, this was the problem. So now I have dot in main BIOS. That also we will do, and then we will check. Display will come or not, that I don't know. But anyway, let us check. Now I did main bias. Okay, here it's 128 MB chip. I connected to the panel, display panel. So directly I'll turn on and I'll check. Okay, first I will use DC machine. Now we will get the display or not. We check. Now the DC machine and here display turning on. Yes, it's turned on. See, we got no bootable device. So operation is success. Here we got the display. It's working fine. Once again I will turn it on. एक मिनट